Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show the unboxing of my LG monitor that I bought from Flipkart. So this is the box that came and I will open it. So inside it you will see the LG LED monitor. So this is 18.5 inches and you can see the description already would be coming on the screen. So this is the box and I have bought it for my desktop. So this is an LED with TN panel. So this is not IPS, this is TN panel LED and it supports 60 Hz refresh rate and the response time is 5 milliseconds. And here are the box details, how it comes. It comes with 3 years on-site warranty from LG and it supports both your VGA and HDMI ports. So both ports are available with the monitor and it costed me around 5700 from Flipkart. So there are no inbuilt speakers in this. Let me open the box. Weight wise it is light, not a problem, and the delivery from Flipkart was fine. And this is the first packet which contains the HDMI cable I can see and the adapter, power adapter that comes along for the monitor, and few user manuals I can see in this. So we will open it later. We have the base for putting on the table and this is the support to the base and the monitor. So I don't see any adjustable option here, and below this we have the monitor. So let me pick it up carefully. So this is the monitor and this is an 18.5 inch, and the back side if you can see we have a wall mount option as well and we have 4 ports. First one is a power HDMI, then we have a headphone port as well I can see and a VG port. So the sides are thin, looks fine, and it's a lightweight in the hand. So let me keep the box away and just I will go ahead and quickly attach the stands, the holding stands. So you have a wall mount option as well, but I will be using it on my table, so I will just quickly do it. So it just comes with a screw and you can easily go ahead and tighten the screw with your hands, and if you want a little bit more you can go ahead and do it with some screwdriver. And this is done and I will fix the monitor on top of it. Let me do it, and here we go. So the monitor is ready and this is how it is going to look on a table. So let me show you a closer picture. So this is the front side of the monitor with the base, and behind you have all the options or the ports that comes along. So this is the power adapter cable that comes around 19 volts, and this is the HDMI cable. Both are made in China and this comes with along with the boxing. And let me quickly connect my laptop with the monitor, and here I go, and I am using the HDMI cable for connecting. And these are the settings, and below you can see few buttons for the functions for setting the brightness and other settings. And we have one power button, that is the white light. This was all.